Is your start menu is not working even after clicking multiple time? Even if you click on the search bar, it is not working. This start menu is also not working. So let's see how we can fix this issue. So first you press window R from your keyboard and press this command here. I will give you this command in the description also, so you can copy paste it and just paste it here and then click on OK. Once you click on OK, you will see this window. Okay, so over here you have to click advanced. Okay, so over here you have to click on rebuild. So then you will see this pop-up. Click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will take some time. Okay, now it is searching. So this will take some time, depend on your system speed. And if you have any doubt, comment below. We will reply to all the comments, and make sure you follow the steps carefully. You can see the progress here. The item index is completely changing and it is increasing, so you have to wait. Now you can see indexing is completed here, and you can see the count here. Okay, items index, so it is done. Now we will close it and we can check the start menu. So let's see whether it is working or not. So if I click here, now you can see it is working, and if I search anything, I can. If you have any doubt, comment below. We will reply to all the comments. And if you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.